anywhere. Now, look at him. We are officially starting. Now, I want you to observe him. Okay? And क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो based on your observation? What do you observe?
From his body language, I can see that he's a bit shy.
Okay. Or
good body language, लेकिन internally जो वो shyness है वो body में show नहीं, मेरे observation.
okay. Or
Very polite person.
okay. Or
Calm personality.
calm personality. Or
Friendly.
okay.
Funny.
Little bit not.
Or
Usually he has some satire for his class.
or anything else? Yes. Yeah. Nervous? Okay. Now, here's the thing. Whatever you have said, you may be right. You may be wrong. But this is not what I asked for. Whatever you have said is your interpretation, not observation. Okay? You interpreted based on how he looks. He's shy, he's nervous, he's naughty or whatever. These are your interpretations, not observations. Observation क्या है? He's standing with his hands folded, his fingers crossed between each other, pen खुले में है, he's looking down, he's nodding his head. That's observation. In NLP, we speak on the basis of observation, not on the basis of interpretation. Do you get this? NLP starts with observation. Do you get this? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So when you now the first though, NLP के अंदर आगे जाके we talk about this. Like what we say is, if one person can do something, we can teach it to whoever wants to learn it. Now let's suppose this is a person who's an excellent public speaker. Okay, and I observe him and I interpret his physiology कि ये जो है बड़ा confident होके बड़ा relax होके खड़ा है. And I come to you and I say देखो तुम अच्छे public speaker बनना चाहते हो, relax होके खड़े हो. Right? Now relax, the word relax, what does that mean to you? What does that mean to you? What does that mean to you? It could mean different things to all different people. Do you get this? But if I say stand balance on both feet, okay, hold the fingers of your right hand or your left hand in your right hand, okay, breathe high in your chest, look straight towards your audience. Can you interpret this? Can you actually do this? Duplicate this? Do you understand this? Okay, we speak on the basis of observations, not interpretations. आम तौर से आपको लोग जो मिलेंगे, you'll find that's what most people do. That's what we think naturally what happens to us. क्योंकि हमारी आदत एक बनी है. Somebody walks into our office, we look at that person and we say, we make a preconceived notion उसके बारे में, and then based on that we, it's like first करो कि हमने सोचा ये बच्चा है जो है ना shy है ज़रा, ये ज़रा naughty है. अब मेरा सारा response, सारी communication because of this perception इसके साथ उसी के हिसाब से होगी. Do you understand? अगर first करो मैंने interpret किया, कोई दाढ़ी है, ये तो खतरनाक बंदा है. Okay? अब मेरी सारी interpretation उस हिसाब से होगी. सारी communication उसके हिसाब से होगी. So I'm not actually speaking to the person in front of me in that case. I'm basically responding to the perceptions I hold about that person in that moment. Do you understand? And that's a big mistake in communication. Okay? And this person, his name is Adnan. He's a practitioner of NLP. He's one of my previous courses students. He will be here to he'll be repeating as well as helping me with some of these recordings. Okay, for you especially. And since you're watching there on that screen, okay, make sure you learn these things. Okay, and make sure your unconscious mind is here with me. Okay. And anything else, Adnan, you want to tell them about? You can do that later.
Okay. I go back there?
No, you go back there. Good, it's recording. Okay, so let's have a quick introduction. आप लोगों का तो एक दूसरे का the way you learn NLP is not by sitting and taking notes and anything. The way you learn is by participating. Okay, you participate in the exercises. NLP के बारे में जहाँ तक information का ताल्लुक है, सारी information इंटरनेट पे आपको मिल जाएगी, YouTube पे आपको हर किस्म की आपको वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी. But NLP cannot be learned by watching videos about it. Cannot be learned by reading about it. It can be learned by doing. So even if you're watching a video and you're not doing the exercise, you will gather a lot of information. Like you will actually develop skills when you actually participate in the exercises. So even if you're watching a video, you make sure that you do the exercises. Okay? So let's have an introduction. I want 3 things from you, mainly. Okay? Just give us your name, why you're here, where you're from, why you're here, and what do you want out of these 7 days?
My name is Dhanush and basically I am a public speaker and trainer. I wanted to learn and make my skills more proper and just wanted to enhance my skills. And therefore I am over here and inshallah when I will be leaving, so I hope that I will be very good at my profession.
Okay. So what do you train in?
Sir, soft skills, HR and entrepreneurship.
And?
Entrepreneurship.
Okay, great.
My name is Dr. Aftab. I am from Peshawar. I am practicing medicine. I was suffering from OCD and little bit phobias. Last month, I was hypnotized by a person named, forgot his name, but he helped me a lot regarding solving my problem because I am facing some problem, phobias, like I am doing this, washing my hands, so and so, different things. I was using different SSRIs, different medicines of mine. So it will change my whole life because I was getting anxious. वो कहते हैं बार बार गुस्सा आ जाना, ये चीज़ों में anger, ये सब चीज़ें, these all things are happening with me. और especially वार्ड में होता वार्ड बॉय को गुस्सा करना, पेशेंट्स को गुस्सा करना, और वो चीज़ें ये सारे मसले थे. मगर वो 30 मिनट के सेशन में लाटा है इस्लामाबाद में सेंट टॉरस में हमने मुझे 30 मिनट्स में शौक पैदा हुआ ये चीज़ सीखने का. नेट पे गया, कमान सुल्तान को सर्च किया. फिर मैंने एक मेरे प्रोफेसर हमारे सेक्रेटरी भाई यहाँ पे शामिल होते हैं, उन्होंने कहा था बेटा सीखना उसी से जो पाएंगे. पायनियर रिचर्ड बैंडलर कह रहे थे भाई कमान सुल्तान से सीख. तो फिर कमान सुल्तान से रब्ता किया, पैसों का अरेंजमेंट नहीं हो रहा था, जो कुछ भी और बाइक पे चाहे जो कुछ भी किया यहाँ पे है. और ज़िंदगी में ये चीज़ सीखना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे एरिया में क्योंकि वहाँ पे पूरे 10 सालों से बॉम्ब्लास्ट की चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई. मैं ये चीज़ सीखना चाहता हूँ लोगों की हेल्प करने के लिए, ना कि पैसे कमाने के लिए. पैसे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं जॉब मेरे पास बचे हैं, वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खूब खुश हूँ. जिस तरह मेरी हेल्प हुई है मैं लोगों की हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ. मैं इसलिए सीखना चाहता हूँ.
Great.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rehan Tahir and I'm from Commerce and currently I'm doing master in agriculture business. And why I want to learn NLP because I'm not sure what I'm going to do in my life. I really want to find my passion and my goal that I really, so that's, I'm so confused. What should I do in my future because now it's a phase. I'm finishing up, so I have to decide. So I'm having problems in decisions, and I would think that maybe NLP would help me out in this scenario because, yeah, even I can't sleep well because these things are continuously on my mind. I'm thinking on it every day. And so that's why I just came here
Okay.
to it. Yeah.
Good. Excellent. Very good. Jiatan.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmed. I am from Karachi. I did my NLP practitioner training 7 months ago, and same story as what you mean. Yeah, that I still need to find my goal in life. But 7 months ago, when I learned NLP, it changed a lot in my life. I used to get angry so much, but alhamdulillah, I drove 40 kilometers last night in hectic traffic, and I was cool, calm, and collective. Even though my mother was like frantic because my sister was about to be surprised, but I was actually practicing positive techniques. तो उसकी वजह से जो बहुत हेल्प किया अपनी बहन और अम्मी को भी. और it's I mean I still haven't found what I need to do about my career, but NLP has opened my brain a lot, and I can like look at the world in like many different ways. Or again, Kamran I told me yesterday like you can like come and join my practitioner training. और मैंने कहा yeah sure because it's such an interactive class with him and you guys will find out in the next 7 days कितना आप लोग का दिमाग खुलेगा.
Okay. Good.
मैं एक और चीज़ रिलेशन करना चाहता हूँ.
Sure.
एक पीस साहब हमारे यहाँ पे वहाँ पे होते हैं, पहले मैं बड़ा रॉन्ग ट्रैक्स करता हूँ. तो उन्होंने एक चीज़ मुझे कहा थी कि भाई मैं 6 सेंस सिखाता हूँ. एक पॉइंट क्या है उसके आगे 2 साल बिता दिया तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो गया था, वही उसकी वजह से मैं डिप्रेशन में चला गया. बिकॉज क्योंकि वो तो कुछ नहीं जानते थे. मैं इतना समझ बूझ रख के उनके जहन के ऊपर चले गए कि भाई वो एक पॉइंट देख रहा हूँ उससे कि भाई आपके 6 सेंस डेवलप हो रहा है, ये चीज़ हो रहा है, आप वो करोगे वेव करोगे. उसकी वजह से मुझे काफ़ी फोबिया पड़ गई. भाई ये करूँगा तो ये हो जाएगा, ये करूँगा तो ये हो जाएगा, ये करूँगा तो वो हो जाएगा. वो जो मसलन मैं कहता था कि भाई ये करूँगा तो ये हो जाएगा, वो लास्ट में कुछ डर लग रहा था कि ये लिखूँगा ये होगी. फिर मैंने कहा उन्होंने एंकर बताया मुझे. एंकर मैंने यूज़ किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो NLP एक आम इंसान की लाइफ में चेंज हो सकता है. आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस होता है.
Excellent. Okay. Now please do this. आपके पास आपके मैनुअल के अंदर देखिए एक फॉर्म रखा होगा. Okay. इसको please fill it up and make sure you sign it. Take it out. इसको मैनुअल पे खोल लीजिए फाइल को और इसको निकाल के fill it up, sign it and then give it to me. और then you can pause this. और प्लीज़ इस पर अपने नाम ऐसे लिखिएगा कि पढ़ा जा सके, बिकॉज ये आपकी सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए ये लाइसेंसिंग एग्रीमेंट है आपका.